From the racetrack to everyday single track, Niner's new RKT 9 RDO is made to fly. Our completely new frame design will have you rethinking what is possible on a short travel, race-ready full suspension 29er. With 90 millimeters of incredibly efficient rear travel and hitting the scales at nearly 10% lighter than the Jet 9 RDO, the RKT 9 RDO was designed with input from our world-class athletes. The bike features a race-inspired fit that positions the rider lower in the front end, and the 439mm chainstays provide a perfect balance of acceleration and the climbing traction you expect. Our patented CBA linkage design allows pedal forces to operate independently of rear wheel travel, transferring every ounce of the rider's hard-earned energy from the pedals to the wheel. Our engineers optimized the linkage and bearings of the RKT to produce the lightest, stiffest version of CBA to date. The RKT's Boost 148 rear triangle allows for a wider spoke interface and an overall stiffer wheel and swing arm combo, enabling you to confidently maintain line selection in the roughest conditions. For details and complete specs on the RKT 9, check out ninerbikes.com.